Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you are watching my video and you are watching my channel AK Decor and Lifestyle. So guys, I hope you are all fine and best condition for health. So guys, first of all, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Then I start video. Guys, in this video I am sharing for you Easter home decor ideas for you, different colors of combination. Each egg has soft and amazing, stylish, luxurious Easter home decor ideas for you. It's look amazing and beautiful. Guys, as you know, Easter is coming soon now, and I am sharing for you Easter home decoration ideas. A love of signature of Easter. So in this video, I am sharing for you different style of Easter tree ideas, different egg colors and different soft egg ideas for you, different colors of combination, different outdoor decor ideas, Easter outdoor decor ideas, Easter tree ideas in this video you can see. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this amazing idea. So once again, I am requesting for you, please guys, like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Keep watching my video. At the end, I am sharing for you different colors of combination and different style for Easter decor ideas. Beautiful and attractive colors for decor your home for the event of Easter. Guys, as you know, Easter is coming soon, and you can decor for your home. And Easter is a sign of happiness and signature of love. Fresh flowers, got decor ideas, and different some amazing and guys some different light colors of combination and dark color of combination look like amazing and good vibes. And guys, the other different amazing home decor ideas, you can visit my channel. I am sharing for you different other tiny home decor, minimalist home decor, patio home decor, different other decoration ideas I am sharing for you. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this channel. If you enjoy this video, so you can like and subscribe my channel. Then guys, Easter is coming now, and advanced Easter home decor ideas for you. So guys, thank you so much. First of all, you watch my video and amazing other different unique and lights and dark colors of combination Easter decor ideas. I am a big fan and it's look like amazing. So at the end, I am requesting for you, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Keep watching my video at the end. Thank you so much guys, you watch my video. And and guys, stylish and luxurious Easter home decoration ideas for you. So thank you so much once again, you watch my video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and new members I am requesting for